Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations are commencing from 12th of December, for which the board has already issued the date sheet. Dear students, the unfortunate part of the story is that you are not physically in the schools. You remained connected to your teachers digitally or virtually. The virtual mode can't be the substitute for the actual mode of teaching, but to the greater extent, this mode finally facilitated you. But some unfortunate group of the students there who are not in possession of these Android phones because of their poor background and they were badly hit. Their students, there is a way for them. They must memorize the notes, go through the books, read the topics, memorize notes there, and they can also crack the examination with ease. Their students 40% concession is there, and out of 100 marks questionnaire, you have to attempt only 60%, and out of 60%, whatever your gain would be, that would be proportionately raised to 100. But important thing is that you have to work hard. They are students of class 11th, subject political science, and today we are dealing with very important topic, that is why do we need elections. Dear students, you are new to the political science. You have taken political science as one of the subjects in class 11th. And initially, you will find difficult in learning these political concepts and terminology. And with the passage of time, all things would be in your range. Dear students, election means to elect in anybody. But why do we need elections? Dear students, the democracy is the government of the people. Simply, you have to keep in the mind there's demos and Christia because it is a Greek word from where it has been originated. Demos means people and Christia means rule. So it is a rule of the people. When people are ruling, there should be the change of opinion. So we need elections in order to renew the opinion of the people, and it's considered soul and of the democracy. So you have to keep in the mind that the elections are the soul of the every democratic setup. For Lok Sabha, the election term is of 5 years, and after 5 years, people change or renew or refresh their opinions. That is why we need elections. And through elections, we elect our representatives, and our representative represents us all. They take decisions on our behalf because in India, the direct is, or we can say the big state is direct democracy can't be possible. The people can't be directly involved in the decision making policies of the government because of huge size and population of the modern states. So you have to keep in the mind that the elections are important in big states like India, America, Canada, Pakistan because people can't be directly called for the decision making policies of the government. And important thing is that people renew, refresh their opinions while when they are going to represent elect their representatives. So election means to elect anybody in India. Election for the Lok Sabha takes place for after every 5 years, and for the most state assemblies, the term is also 5 years. But dear students, you have to keep in the mind that elections or election is the soul of the democracy, and without the election democracy is nothing because after the fixed term, the opinion of the people gets renewed. So we need elections in order to choose our representatives who represent us or who talk us in the parliament or in the state legislature, the state assembly on our behalf, because in big states like India, Canada, America, Pakistan, Bangladesh, direct election, direct democracy is not possible because people can't be called directly in the decision making policies of the government, while in small states like Switzerland, such things can happen, but you have to keep in the mind that the election means to elect anybody. We elect our representatives. Our government is formed by these elections. So elections are very important. This is considered the soul of the every democracy. And after a fixed term, and mostly the term is of 5 years for Lok Sabha. For Lok Sabha as well, for Lok Sabha it is 5 years, and for the state assembly it is almost 5 years in every state or the federal unit of India. And after 5 years, the opinion of the people are they gets renewed or refreshed. For example, in before 2014 there was the Congress government. Now the BJP is ruling because the people have changed their opinion. So simply you have to keep in the mind the elections is soul and of the every democratic setup, and elections held we elect our representatives in order to run the government affairs efficiently, because in big states like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Canada, America, direct democracy isn't possible. So uh, we can say literally it means to elect anybody. We elect representatives who represent us in the parliament or in the state assembly, because the direct democracy can't be possible here because of larger size of the states and larger population. So after general elections for the Lok Sabha and for the state assemblies, the people refresh their opinion, renew their opinions. They elect their representatives. The representatives represent us. They take decisions on our behalf so that government runs and democracy goes smoothly ahead. Now it's Kashmiri. वहाँ इलेक्शन क्या ज़रूरी इलेक्शन मतलब गो कह इंसान इलेक्ट करो, चूँकि हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान अमेरिका अगर इहज मिसाल निमो हम वारिया बज स्टेट हिंदुस्तान 130 करोड़ आबादी अकिस 130 करोड़ हेको आलो कर हम हेको बुलत कम बाबत डिसीजन मेकिंग पॉलिसीज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट तो प्रथ कुन डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप मतलब सूल रूह अमुक यह इलेक्शन इलेक्शन लोकसभा खतर 5 वरी हिंदुस्तान मज तो स्टेट असम्बली मज तकरीबन यह टर्म 5 वरी लूख पन राय कर रिन्यू नए रिफ्रेश कर ताज़ कर अगर पतमस गवर्नमेंटस मज कांग्रेस दिसमस मिसाल के तौर पर वोट अगर बो कि कांग्रेस कर असल हुकूमत कह तम हम बदलावन पानी राय बेकिस इलेक्शन क्या डेमोक्रेसी मतलब गो ये पीपल रूल कर लूकन क्या द्रमुत डेमोस क्रिश्या मज डेमोस मतलब गो पीपल क्रिश्या मतलब गो रूल ऑफ द पीपल गो इस गन लूक हुकूमत कर तेल गसन लूक चारान नुमाइंदन वो क्या नुमाइंदन क्या चारान चूँकि पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा साइज मुल्क बोड़ आसान चाहे हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान बांग्लादेश कनेडा अत क्या गसान अत हेकोक डायरेक्टली लूक आलो डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी हे पॉसिबल गसित कि सावन याद कि इनडायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी मज इलेक्शन गसान गो इस डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप यह फंक्शन करने खतर यह स्मूथली गसन खतर ब्रोट गसन खतर गसन इलेक्शन गसन जरूरी इलेक्शन मज लूकन राय गसान रिन्यू ताज़ गसान बे पन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव नुमाइंद चारान अमे नुमाइंद डिसीजन निवान सनिस बिहाफस पे एक्चुअली वन वोट त्रावान क्या यह सोन ताकत अमी जरिए पे हुकूमत गसान डियर स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इलेक्शन सो यू हैव टू कीप इन द माइंड दैट इलेक्शंस आर द soul of the every democratic setup, and it goes in the indirect democracy because in modern states the direct democracy is not possible because people can't be directly called where the population is in crores for the decision making policies of the government. Hope you might have grasped the concept. Remain busy with the books, work hard, and you will crack the examination easily. Thanks. Be balanced.